How to sync CardDAV and CalDAV through Outlook.
Open this website. Download Evo Collaborator for Outlook. Run Setup Program. Please close Outlook when you install it. Open Microsoft Outlook. Click Evo ribbon tab. Click Configure Profile.
Enter your CardDAV and CalDAV server URL. This can be a server of SABREDAV, Beagle, or OWNCLOUD. Enter your username and password. Click Test to detect URL for Contacts, Calendar, and Task. Apply and quit. The synchronization starts. Check Evo Contacts for downloaded contacts. Check Evo Calendar for downloaded calendar. Check Evo Task for downloaded task. Thanks for watching.